The Forza is built on a Freightliner straight rail chassis. The key things we were trying to deliver to the customers with this product is that it would stay under 12 feet. So this coach actually will fit under a 12-foot door. This coach has more storage from a cubic feet standpoint on the exterior than any other coach in its class. To have basically box off the rail and have storage pass through all the way across the top and pass through all the way below. One thing to key in on is the dash. It has an OptiView digital dash from Freightliner. It's a feature that is only offered in the Forza and is best in class. When you are driving down the road and the passenger sitting in their seat, we do have a full powered step cover that goes over, and it raises up flush with the main floor, so when the passenger is sitting there, they can have their feet on the main floor and not have them dangling in the step well area. We also have the Comfort Plus sofa that makes it real easy to watch TV from that's directly across from you in the middle of the coach, as well as make it into a bed very easily. We have a benchmark dinette, which is an exclusive for Winnebago Industries. It's got sprung cushions, storage underneath. On the 36G and the 38F, we do offer king beds as an option. What I think probably one of the really cool things about this that a lot of floor plans lack is in the galley is pantry space. This particular floor plan has two full-size pantries, one on the driver and one on the passenger side. 38F is a bath and aft floor plan. Has a full bath in the back and a half bath in the center of the coach. Another feature that we started offering here recently is the Truma AquaGo. Basically, is your continuous hot water. It comes in real handy on the floor plan of 38W, where we have actually a full double bath. So we have two showers. It allows you to shower at the same time in both bathrooms and not have to worry about running out of hot water. New this year on the Forza, we have Undercarriage Lighting, so you have the ability to light up the whole underside of the motorhome. It's operated from an app that's on your phone, so it's really easy to use. For customers that are looking to step up into a diesel, our owners or people that own competitive coaches, the Forza is a great place to start. The Forza has a lot of great features, and we're excited to have it as part of our diesel pusher lineup.